You or guide you how to connect up the FootfallCam. So in the box we provide the camera, the 3D camera. Okay, it comes with the clarified cable switch, and then we provide one pin cable. This is a clarified cable. It's very short, and then this can be included in the back of this connection. And then we come with the one mid-span or PoE, okay, and the cables. So to connect up to people counter, okay, first of all you have to connect up the mid-span first, the injector. So you just power on you just put on the power. Okay, you switch on the power, then you will see the light, the green light over here. Okay, the pin cable we provide, you have to connect up the PoE to the router. Okay, this is to place in the back office. So here there's two ports. You can see to router or to counter. Then you plug into router, and then the other side you put in the router in the store. Okay. So installer have to prepare another Cat5 cable. This Cat5 cable is to cabling from the back office to the front entrance. So it's about it depends on the store, and then the distance. Okay. So for this Cat5 cable, you have to connect to the PoE mid-span to counter, and then the other side you connect to the counter. And then in the next video we are going to teach you how to crimp the Cat5 cable for that, the color code and all that. So for the light sequence, you can see when you boot up the counter it will be red, and then slowly you will turn to the flashing green. Okay, the flashing green here. And then you go to the red again, and then flashing green again. And then go to magenta to search for the network. And then after that it will become blue color. So if the counter turn to blue color, it means everything is okay. It's up to connect. It takes some times. Okay, here's the counter turn to the blue. So that's successfully connect up. Okay, thank you.